So you've been thinking, man, I should probably start a YouTube channel. But then the spiral begins. What do I say? Do I need a fancy setup? What if I completely embarrass myself on camera? Happened plenty of times to me. So let me stop you right there, because if you're a real estate agent who's even thinking about starting a YouTube channel, then this video is for you. So here's what most people, most gurus won't tell you. You do not need to be a YouTuber. You just need to be a local expert with a camera and a plan. That's it. Sounds simple, right? So I know when I first started on YouTube, I had no clue what I was doing. No audience, no script, definitely no strategy. And to be honest, I almost quit more than once. I don't want to go viral. Did not want to become the next video guru. I just wanted to find clients without chasing leads every single day. That's exactly why I built a guide for agents just like us, agents who are just trying to grow their business and not become influencers. So if you want the shortcut that I wish I had when I started, grab it here, realestatevideostrategy.com/freebies. It's simple, practical, and built to help you actually start without the tech headaches or the pressure to be perfect. So my first few videos, let me tell you, they were just terrible. They were a learning experience. Bad lighting, choppy editing, and honestly, I sounded like I was reading from a ransom note. Really bad. Actually, let me take you back to 2019. That's actually when my real journey started. Actually, I had the channel since 2014, but I was doing, I think, what most real estate agents at that time were doing, which is basically taking the video that your videographer gave you to upload to the MLS and then just using that on YouTube. That was pretty much it. Boring videos. Certainly was not in those videos. And of course, no viewers, no comments, no likes, no shares, no phone calls. Then everything changed. We moved to Maui, Hawaii. Now, I'm going to share that story in another video, but let's just say that I quickly learned that I needed to start a YouTube channel because I needed buyers and sellers to find me online. They were terrible too, but I kept going, and eventually something shifted. People, they started to reach out, not because I was polished, because they felt like they already knew me. That is the key, because make no mistake about it, this is a know you, like you, trust you business, and YouTube can certainly help you. And that's really the power of YouTube. It's not about going viral. It's about building trust at scale. So let's make one thing clear. You do not need a $2,000 camera. You don't need a ring light or a pro editor. I filmed over 1,500 videos on my iPhone, $20 tripod from Amazon. What you need is clarity. Clarity on who you're talking to, clarity on what they care about, clarity on how to help them solve real problems. Because if you're trying to talk to everyone, you're going to end up connecting with no one. So skip that. Hey guys, here's a full Sarasota market update for all buyers and all sellers ever. Say, hey, if you're relocating to Lakewood Ranch and you're trying to figure out which neighborhood actually fits your lifestyle, this video is for you. See how I did that? That's what sticks. Specific always wins. So I see so many agents trying to be the ultra polished on camera. But guess what? Your clients don't really want you to be perfect. They want you to be real. They want someone who sounds like an actual human, someone who actually knows what they're going through. And they want somebody who's not going to spend 7 minutes on mortgage jargon when all they asked is this the right neighborhood? Is it kid friendly? So stumble over a word, keep going. Forgot what you were saying, laugh it off. It's your authenticity that builds trust. So don't edit it out. Want to know the fastest way to grow your YouTube channel and get leads? Answer the exact questions your ideal clients are typing into YouTube or Google right now. Not what you think they should know, not what your broker told you to say, what they're actually searching for. Stuff like, is Lakewood Ranch a good place to retire? What is the best neighborhood in Sarasota for families? Florida HOA fees, can you explain them? Each of those is a full video waiting to happen. You can use YouTube search, Google search, or even just scroll through your emails anywhere the clients are asking these questions. You've got content ideas already. That is your roadmap. And this is where most agents get it wrong. YouTube is not Instagram or TikTok. You're not chasing trends here. You are building a library of helpful content that works for you 24/7. So each video is kind of like a little soldier out there saying, hey, go talk to this agent. It is not about one hit video. It's about showing up consistently, being helpful, letting that trust snowball because people will binge your old videos. I know it. They'll realize, oh, this person actually knows what they're talking about. Imagine that. And then guess what? Then they're going to reach out. The number one reason that agents give up on YouTube, can you guess? Burnout. They wing it, they ramble, they film a bunch of random footage, and they get frustrated when nothing clicks. That is why I created a free guide called Your First 30 Days on YouTube. It's made to help you skip the rookie mistakes and get right to what works. Inside, you're going to get a launch checklist so you know exactly what to do next. My go-to affordable deal recommendations, bonus tips that I wish that somebody told me on day one. So grab the free guide. Again, it's at realestatevideostrategy.com/freebies. I'll put the link down below. It's totally free. It'll save you so much time and a lot of second guessing. Look, I know YouTube can definitely feel overwhelming at first. There are gurus out there pitching all kinds of hacks to go viral in 30 days. But here's the truth. You don't need hacks. You just need consistency. You need clarity and you need the courage to show up as yourself. Start small, stay helpful, and treat your channel like it's a conversation, not a performance. And hey, if you ever feel stuck or you're not sure what to say, or you want someone to just tell you what gear to buy, that's why I'm here. I've got free tools, digital downloads, real world resources that are going to help you build a YouTube channel that actually brings in clients. So thanks for tuning in. If this helped, drop a comment, hit subscribe, follow along. If you're listening to the podcast, follow us there. Come back next week. We've got plenty more where this came from. So glad that you found the channel.